Hi teacher, tonight I doing present my speaking test. 1. If did have address, I would have gone to the wedding. 2. If she had graduated from high school, she would have a job. 3. If I had money, I would have bought the car album. 4. If I had studied, I would have passed the admission exam. 5. If you did If you did your homework, I would have let you go to the party. 6. If you had given my money, I would have done the cleaning. And 7. If you had listened to me, you would have known what happened. And 8. If he could speak French, he would have gone to Paris. 9. If she hadn't moved out, she would be in the house. 10. If you had gone to the party, if would have danced with you. Thank you.